Google Meet has several features that hosts can use to moderate a meeting. To see your options, you can click Host Controls. Enabling host management for a meeting lets the host control whether attendees can share their screen, send chat messages, turn on their microphone, or turn on their video. Let's say you have a large meeting with one main speaker and over 100 attendees, like a webinar, for example. You're concerned that some attendees might accidentally unmute themselves when they should not be speaking, and you want to avoid any disruptions to the presentation. You might choose to prevent participants from turning on their microphones or sharing their screens. Meeting moderation in Google Meet is not limited to the meeting creator. To add a co-host, click Show Everyone. To open the People tab, click More Actions next to the person's name, and then click the Add as Co-host option. Depending on your Google Workspace edition, you might be able to add up to 25 co-hosts to your meetings. Also, when leaving a meeting, the main host and co-host alike can choose to either just leave the call or end the call for everyone. Aside from meeting moderation, host controls also have options to modify and track meeting access. The meeting access options let hosts decide whether to provide quick access to meetings. This specifies whether all attendees who are not added to the calendar invite must ask to join a meeting even if they belong to your organization. When non-invited participants request to join a meeting, hosts can admit them to the meeting or deny their request. Hosts can also enable attendance tracking in meetings and live streams. At the end of a meeting, the host receives the report in their email. If the meeting has more than one host, only the main host receives the email. Similar to the other controls, Google Meet hosts can also change the settings for meeting activities. Hosts can decide whether attendees can ask questions by using the Q&A feature. If questions are allowed, the host can choose whether or not people can ask anonymous questions in the Q&A. We'll explore the Q&A feature more in the Engage with Participants lesson.